Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Varun, and in today's video, we are taking a look at the process of creating a one-time links for your booking calendars via API. Now, the one-time links will help you avoid any unwanted bookings as they are valid for one use only, and as soon as the booking is scheduled, they will no longer be valid for further use. Then we will also look into the other functionality of a one-time link. That is, you have an option where you can offer a personalized one-time links to your clients as well. This gives your clients a more personalized experience while scheduling. So let's get started. To begin, let's head over to the account integration section, APIs and webhooks, and copy our API key. Next, let's head over to the developers.onehub, that is our API reference page. Now here, for a more comprehensive view, I'll open our API client. Once I'm here, the first thing is let me validate my API key. Now my API key is all good to use. Let's head over to the booking calendar functions. So before we create a one-time link, the first thing that we need is the API key, which is already here. The second option or the second thing that we need is the booking calendar ID. So let's head over to the list all booking calendar function. The API key is here. So here I have the list of all the booking calendars on my account. Now for the demo, let's say we are scheduling a project review meeting. So I'll get the booking calendar ID for the relevant booking calendar. Copy the details and let's head back. Paste the value here. Now this functionality is ready to use. Now there are two options. We can create custom links or we might choose not to. So for example, let's say Carrie here. I am first going to go ahead and create a one-time link without any customer details, which will be a general one-time link. So I have removed all the parameters that are contact parameters there, like name, email, phone number have been removed, and I can go ahead and create a one-time link here. All right, so here is our one-time link which has been generated. Now this gives you the link ID and the creation time of the link as well, along with the link. So this information can be stored and can be used or for any record purposes as well. Now, let's see how it looks when we want to go ahead and create a personalized one-time link. So we will just need to go ahead and enter a name here. So let's say Carrie customer, and we can go ahead and add Carrie customer at example.com. We can choose to add a phone number as well, but for a demo, I'll skip it. We can have other fields like the source of the meeting. Suppose it is a personalized link which you are sharing via Facebook. You can have those UTM parameters there as well. You can have other details regarding like what is their department or what is their job role, etc. Everything can be passed via URL. But yeah, I'll be passing the name and the email here. And once I click on send, here I have a link with the customer's name and email already present. Now, once we access it, this gives them a more personalized experience while scheduling. Let's take a look at the customer view and how it appears. So once they access the link and go ahead and select the date and time, their name and email are already present. They can select a meeting location and confirm the scheduling. So once the scheduling is done, this booking link is no longer valid. So if someone tries to go ahead and reload the link, and this is how it would appear. This scheduling link is no longer valid. So this is how you can create a one-time link and a personalized one-time link for your clients using our API. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.